Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and in today's video we're going to be going over how you can decode a key utilizing a key gauge. This is something that is very useful, easy to learn, and more information is coming up on this in just a second. Please stay tuned. So I'd like to first give you a little background information on a key. You may have seen some information on how a key works in one of my other videos, which I'll link on the top right now. So when you take a look going across the key, you're going to see the cuts on the key. This is going to generate the key bitting. On each type of key and lock you use, it's going to have a different bitting specification. On quickset, each cut is going to vary by 0.023 inches. They're going to be predetermined, and you can follow them on a chart. But what this does is it makes it so you can make a tool such as a key gauge like you see here. This is going to allow you to run the key through the tool and see exactly what the cuts are. So in order to do this, you're going to want to start with the part of the key closest to the bow, and that's going to be cut number 1, and we're going to progress all the way back to 5. So you're just going to start all the way over at 0. Then you're going to work your way over. So when I get to 2, you're going to see that there's going to be a gap. But when I get over to 3, it's going to hit very tightly, and that means that the very first cut is going to be a 3 cut. Then we're going to move over to the second position, and we're going to see once we get to 3 we have a little bit of a gap, but once we get to 4 we hit very tightly. So that means the second cut is going to be a 4. We're going to move on to the third position. We're going to see that it rests there very tightly over 3. Moving on to the fourth position, we're going to see that it rests very tightly over 5. And then finally getting to the fifth position, you'll see it rests very tightly over 3. So just running through the gauge just like this, we're able to get all of the cuts to our key. And what we're able to determine is that the cuts are going to be 3, 4, 3, 5, 3. Why this is significant is because now we know we have a quickset KW1 blank, and we know the cuts are going to be 3, 4, 3, 5, 3. We can actually write these cuts down and have a key originated for us if we go to a local locksmith, or we could even try to hand file them and use some calipers to verify. But when you go to look at a key gauge, you can get ones that are just single keyway like this one for the quickset, or you can get one that has multiple different measurements on it so you can use a variety of different locks. Whichever tool works best for you is probably your best option. But I just wanted to share with you a really quick way on how you can decode a key without having to have too much equipment. This is something that is very powerful, and it's something that can be done very, very quickly. It is really amazing to see how you could just have this in your pocket, decode a key on the fly. So you always want to keep the bitting of your key very protected. You don't want to leave it out there. You don't want to leave your keys out in plain sight. But you just want to try to be as careful as possible. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has been a really quick video on how to decode a lock using a basic key gauge. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, as always, please feel free to leave them right in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.